Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, you guys can see I'm outside right now, about to go jump on the trampoline. So one of you guys have been asking for this video for a while, trying to solve a Rubik's Cube while flipping on a trampoline. So I can solve a Rubik's Cube, I think. I haven't done it in a while. I should probably make sure I can still do that. But I'm gonna go on the trampoline. First, I'm just gonna do it, I'll do a backflip. And then I don't know how this is gonna go, guys. Hopefully I don't land my neck, hopefully I don't die. But shout out to, I forget his channel name, Williams Arbaninsky, I'm pretty sure. Put it on the screen right there. Make sure you guys go subscribe to him. So, I'm just gonna basically go right into this, I think. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram. It'll be on the screen right there. And make sure you guys subscribe and have post notifications on so you don't miss any new videos, because it is summer break now. And I'm gonna try to be doing a lot of videos, so make sure you guys comment down below video ideas. If you want me to do them, I will give you a shout out in the video. So it's easy as that. So just literally, and make sure you go down and subscribe. It literally takes maybe 1 second to push the button. No, even less than a second. All it is boom, subscribe. Is it really that hard? So just do it. So I'm just gonna squeaky, huh? I'm gonna go on the trampoline, do this. I'm just gonna make sure real quick that I still know how to solve this. I'm gonna mix it up real quick. And to make sure you guys I'm not cheating, I know I go over, middle, upside down, like that. I don't know how I'm gonna prove to you that it's actually mixed up. I don't know. I'll just throw it up in the air and then start it randomly. Okay, so it's mixed up. I'm gonna see if I can solve this still. Oh, I got it, guys. Got it solved. So, boom, I can solve a Rubik's Cube behind my back, blindfolded, while doing a handstand. Just kidding, I can't do that. Well, the UPS truck is coming by. So I'm just gonna jump on the trampoline. I got GoPro right here. I'm gonna try to put it on my chest. Well, not I'm gonna try, I am. And then I'm going to see if it I'm gonna put it on the really wide angle, so while I'm flipping it might be able to see it while I'm doing it. I don't know. I was just thinking in my room. Yeah, never mind, it's out of battery real quick. I'm gonna go get a different battery for this. I'm back. Okay guys, so I just got a new battery for it. It's on, so I'm just gonna have it start recording. I'm gonna go on the trampoline and see how this works. Oh, I gotta mix it up. Forgot about that part. Okay, boom. Mixed up. So I'm gonna do I'll backflip and then do a jump and then backflip or something. I don't even know. Oh boy. What the? Dude, where am I? Nope. Oh! I got one piece solved. This is hard. What if Okay, I'm gonna keep trying this. What the? Okay. Oh. I got one layer solved. and I'm out of breath. So I'm gonna take a quick little nap and then we'll continue.
A few moments later.
Oh, guys, I am back. Round 2, layer 2. Yes, let's go. Oh, it's gonna be hard. I just gotta inspect it real quick. Okay. What the? No, I messed up. Oh, boy. What did I do? No. This is hard. And this is probably the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. Just kidding, it's not. But my legs are feeling it.
Are you doing the Rubik's Cube flipping?
Yeah.
Is that a video you're doing?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey.
Okay guys, so I'm trying to figure out this last layer. I forget how to do this algorithm. I'm gonna just try to do it while flipping. Okay, on to the last layer. Forgot how to do this. No. I need to do this well. I keep putting it back to where it was. Okay, I cannot do this. Okay, I cannot do this. Forget this algorithm, guys. I literally forgot how to solve the Rubik's Cube while I was flipping while doing it. I don't even know how that's possible. You can, like, flipping just mess it with your brain, I guess. I'm gonna stop this and take this off because it's very uncomfortable. Oh, that was tiring. I'm just gonna go do one more double backflip. Oh guys, literally I learned a standing double backflip. Watch this. Go. Just like that, guys. Standing double backflip. I can do it on ground tomorrow. Not. Maybe. I don't know. But comment down below if you guys can solve a Rubik's Cube. And if you guys can, then you guys are smarter than me because I forgot how to solve one. I literally forgot how to do it. I literally did it in front of the camera before. And then I forgot how to on the trampoline. Oh, I got it, guys. Got it solved. So, boom, I can solve a Rubik's Cube behind my back, blindfolded while doing a handstand. Trampoline just like makes you lose your memory. So that's basically it. Make sure you guys comment down below some more video ideas if my comments work. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't work. It's like half and half. But literally like 50-something% of you guys aren't subscribed, and just go subscribe. You're already watching it, so you might as well just subscribe because it's that easy. Like, yeah, common sense. So I think that's basically it for this video. Is my mic plugged in? Yeah, okay, that's good. That's good. Hello. Yeah, so trying to think if there's anything else very important that I should need to tell you. Nope. Okay, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, stay for life, and see you in the next one if you know what I mean. Ain't nobody perfect.
Perfect.